Hi, I'm Sarah Bendrick, licensed landscape contractor, and today I want to show you guys how to build a beautiful feature wall using Outdeco's OXY-Shield Corten Steel Panels. We'll be placing them horizontally on this deck for a beautiful backdrop. These 3x6 panels can be placed vertically, and they come in a few different patterns to fit your aesthetic. First thing you want to do is place your first post. There are holes on 3 sides of it, and then one side is smooth. That is the front, so face it towards your entertaining area. Don't forget to add the post cap. We're using Outdeco's galvanized steel powder-coated post system for this install. The kit comes with wood screws and concrete anchors. Rest your panel on a spacer. This will help line up the slot on the panel and the pre-drilled holes on the post.
I got a block.
And we use this panel to find the spacing for our second post. And all we have to do is screw it in 2 on that side and 2 on this side. It's going to be a really quick build. All right, now we're gonna add one more panel above. Slots on all 4 sides of the panels will align with the pre-drilled holes on all sides of Outdeco's steel posts. This allows for a vertical adjustment of up to 1 inch to level out the panels on uneven surfaces.
All right.
Now that we have 1 row in, we're going to move on and add another row, again using the panel to space out where the 3rd post will go. Outdeco also offers a 52-inch post if you just want to add 1 panel height horizontally. The last thing you need to do is add the plugs to all the unused holes in the post to make sure that moisture does not get in. Wow, this looks great. I love how it came out. You can do these horizontally, you can orient them vertically, whatever you need for your yard. And of course, you can always extend your fence or create 90-degree angles. These Corten steel panels are designed to rust, and that's actually how they protect themselves from corrosion. However, they could potentially stain anything underneath it, so you can seal them if you want to keep that at a low. When you first get your panels, they actually come in a silver metal color, and as they get oxidated, they will turn into this beautiful orange, and then they'll get darker, and eventually they'll turn into a nice warm brown color. You can seal them at any point that you like the color, and it'll preserve it in that state. Outdeco's OXY-Shield Corten steel panels are so easy to install. Plus, they come in a few different designs from modern to botanical. I personally love this rainforest pattern. I think it's stunning, especially as a tropical veranda backdrop for this dining area. I hope you enjoy your beautiful new yard.